my boys and girls. Welcome to Growing Guitar. Beautiful song from Lewis Capaldi. Very dramatic. The Day That I Die. Okay? No one has to cry when that point. When he dies, I think many will do still. But anyway, that's what it sings about. And we're going to learn it together. We have a capo on 4th frets. That's the absolute best scenario for us, and with that we have 7 chords. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna learn C first. Okay, that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have this A minor 7 next, and that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have F major next. So that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G add 11, add 13. Yes, a long name there. That's a technical name. You're gonna play 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the G6. Much shorter name, and the only difference here is you lift off that 1st B to get that open, and that's the G6 chord. Okay, then we have the GB. So that will be 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And finally, we have the E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern first. And if you grab the first chord C, one string round will be about 4 downs, like this. Okay, I play 4 downs, and notice I'm playing on the bass strings for all these downs, but the 3rd down I go down to get the higher strings down here. Okay, so bass, bass, top, bass. That gives us this certain rhythm. If that is hard for you, then you just go with the 4 down. That is 1 string round. Okay, that's the strumming, but we're actually going to start with just 1 down here in this song. So we're going to start with that first. So you're going to play the chord progression C, 4 downs, A minor 7, 4, F major, 4, then the G add 2, and the G6, 2. And that is 1 round. You're going to play for 3 rounds. So 1 round goes like this. Okay, that is 1 round, 3 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. Then comes the first chorus, and we're gonna still keep on that 1 down thing. Okay, now it's actually just 1 down per chord, and it's A minor 7, 1 down, pause, and then G add 1 down, pause, and then F major 1 down, and even a longer pause. And that is the first chorus. Okay, that started about 50 seconds in. Forgot to mention that, but now we're back into the second round here, the second verse. Now we're gonna start with the strumming. You're gonna play the same chord progression. Now you're gonna have amount of rounds. So we're gonna play C, 2 string rounds, A minor 7, 2, F major 7, 2, then the G add 1, and the G6, 1. You're gonna play that for 2 strumming rounds. Let's go for 1 round together. Two rounds of that, and that's the second verse. Now into the second chorus. You're gonna play 1 string round of A minor 7, 1 of the G add, and 2 of the F major 7. It goes like this. And that's the second chorus. And from this point, you're gonna go right into the bridge part that comes right after the second chorus. And you're gonna start that with playing 1 down on the G6 with a big pause. That pause is as if you would play the G6 for 2 strumming rounds. Then you're gonna play the C, 2 string rounds. And then the GB, 2 string rounds. Then you're gonna play A minor 2, F major 2, C2, and E minor 2. And then you have the A minor 2 again, F major 2, then G6 2, and G add 2. That is the end of the bridge parts. Then we have just the outro part left, guys. And what you're going to do here is to play the verse play. You had the C, the A minor, the F major, the G add, and the G6. You're going to play that for 2 rounds with strumming. And then afterwards, you're going to play the chorus play for 2 rounds with strumming. That was the A minor, the G add, and the F major. 2 rounds of that. And then you're going to end with the G6, 2 string rounds. One down with that beautiful C chord, and that is how you handle Lewis Capaldi's "The Day That I Die." Okay, a nice, beautiful song, and it's really easy to perform that on guitar. So if you love this song, you love guitar, that's a perfect combination there. Tell me what you think about this tutorial, and I hope you see. Gonna come back here to this channel, of course, and support me here. So thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.